Hey everyone, I just wanted to post this. This is going to be like a quick video. I'm not really going to go into a whole bunch of detail, but I just wanted to get this out there so that everyone's aware. I'm doing a mystery box, and I already did one, but there were only 10 copies that I made, so it sold out in like 2 minutes, and a whole bunch of people were kind of bummed that they didn't get their hands on one of these boxes, and that was my November/December mystery box. So I decided I'm going to do another one, and I'm going to try and make a lot more this time. Well, I am making a lot more this time. I'm making 300 of them. Some of them have already sold, so yeah, if you want to get your hands on them, I'm going to have a link in the description box, so go down there, check it out. If you want one, get it now, because once the first 300 are gone, I'm not going to make any more of these. The theme of this box is going to be Tom Marvolo Riddle, and it's going to ship in January, probably like within the first 2 weeks of January is when I'll start shipping all these boxes out. So you should have it by the end of January, unless I'm shipping internationally, which I am going to sell them internationally, but unfortunately, if I am shipping to you outside of the US, you're gonna have to pay for the shipping, whereas if you're ordering within the US, the shipping is free. I wanted everybody to have at least a little bit of a chance to get their hands on these, since there's such a small quantity of them that I'm able to make, because it's basically just me and Heather producing these and shipping them ourselves. So yeah, it's a lot of work. We're not, it's not a big company doing it. It's not, you know, Geek Gear. And if this goes well, I'm probably gonna do more in the future. But for now, this is basically a trial run. I wanna see how well it goes, and how much people like this, me doing this, and if it goes well and people really like it, I'll keep doing it. And one more thing that I do need to mention, aside from the exciting news about the mystery box that I'm doing, I'm also giving away a copy of Alice in Wonderland, and this is MinaLima's copy of Alice in Wonderland that they designed and shipped out just right after Halloween. I ordered this to give this away for Christmas, so this is a Christmas giveaway. I want to ship this out within the next couple of weeks so that it arrives before Christmas for whoever wins it. But yeah, it's Alice in Wonderland, totally designed by MinaLima. It looks really, really cool. There's gold foiling on the front, and the interior pages are full of just beautiful artwork, and it is signed by MinaLima. So yeah, I did get one of the limited signed copies just to give away for you guys. But check out this artwork. It just looks so cool. And there's also like interactive things in here. Not quite like a pop-up book, but like, you know, it's got the Cheshire Cat disappearing, and then all you can see is a smile. And yeah, it's just really, really beautiful. I got myself a copy as well, and I hope that you guys really appreciate this. But yeah, if you would like to get this, there's a giveaway link in the description box below. Anyways, I'm sorry, that's it. Didn't mean to drag this on, just a quick announcement. Remember, I get a lot of ideas for these DIYs that I do from your comments. So if you have an idea for something that you want to see me do in the future, definitely leave a comment below and let me know. If you're interested in seeing more DIY videos having to do with Harry Potter and more, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.